Hi, it's Duane from Splend, introducing the new Ford Capri Premium. Today I'm going to run you through a few key features of the vehicle, starting off with the impressive 370 mile range. We also have this impressive 14.6 sync move touchscreen, which you can slide up and down, and you have a bit of storage, as well as you have the touchscreen options where you can use your navigation or charging point, as well as other applications as well. We also have this 572 litre boot space with electric key entry where you can store loads of luggage. And one feature I love about this car is the massage setting. One click of a button and you're in paradise. The Capri also features lane keeping aid and lane departure warning. If you want to come view this fantastic car today, book your test drive with Splend.